Hello everyone, happy November 27th. Today we celebrate pins, giving thanks, and the joy of tiny treasures. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Pins and Needles Day, a nod to anticipation and the art of sewing. A great gift could be a vintage pin collection, a sewing starter kit, or a quirky enamel pin set. What's your favorite pin or patch? Let's stitch it into the comments. Next, it's a day to reflect on gratitude. Whether it's Thanksgiving or just a quiet moment, a thoughtful gift could be a gratitude journal, a handwritten letter, or a thank you candle. What are you thankful for today? Let's fill the comments with kindness. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's Turtle Adoption Day, a gentle reminder to care for our shelled friends. A sweet gift could be a turtle plushie, a donation to a wildlife rescue, or a turtle-themed coloring book. Know a turtle lover? Let's shell-ebrate them in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 26th to 31st, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.